we have a gorgeous new leak, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Now, the leak might be gorgeous, but I don't know about the name. Sheesh, they put a lot in there. Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. It's a lot going on. Just got to scroll down. This happened a couple days ago, but like I said, we got to catch up. It's a lot of news. This is a blurry leak.
Okay. I thought it was still rendering.
It's a blurry leak.
I see. Yeah.
It's just a blurry leak. And I know everyone's upset because they want to see a better version of it. It actually looks better in the small corner up there because of how pixelated the thing is. But as you can tell, Will, you have... Now, this is the piece you need to pick up here. On the bottom side, you see the big camera module, but I want you to look at the other side. You see, it's a big screen on the outside of the device, which was the major drawback with the original Galaxy Fold.
Yeah.
So this thing looks like a beast. Absolutely.
Looks like a regular phone, and then you could fold it out.
It looks crazy. Oh. And the camera module looks a lot like what we're going to see on the upcoming Note series, the new Note series. This thing has the potential to be a tremendous powerhouse. I would expect it to be quite expensive. According to some of the information from Phone Arena here, the exterior panel has grown from 4.3 inches to 6.23 inches. That's a big-time outside screen. The dramatic change, along with the introduction of a new punch hole for the 10-megapixel front-facing camera, is corroborated by the aforementioned press render. The external display on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 should, therefore, be much more useful. Now, on the inside, you're going to see a screen increase from 7.3 inches to 7.7 inches. So everything gets bigger, and you don't see any type of S Pen or anything like that. So that's been interesting to some people as well, particularly fans of the Note series that would love to see some sort of pen input on these massive displays. But that's a lot of screen real estate. 7.7 on the inside and 6.23 on the outside. That's some type of powerhouse phone right there. But it is just a render, and it's not the greatest render, to be clear. But exciting nonetheless.